And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a paper tier effect. Use it for transitions, openings. Just search, for example, on YouTube for these paper tiers. I'm going to link to the one that I'm using, download it, and then import it to CapCut. I've got my footage right here. Then I add this paper tier. It's 10 in total. Put it on top. Some of them have audio, so you may want to right click and extract the audio if you don't want the audio effect. Then delete the audio, obviously. Let me scroll to number 2. I've shown you that on the YouTube video. Go to the position where the paper is fully visible here. Then you cut it. Use the split tool B for that. So B is the short key. Then move forward until the screen is fully green. Cut it again. Once again using the split tool. B is the short key. What we have is this. Let me put that to the start of my clip. Now I want to select this paper tier. And here you go to video and then remove BG. You will find a chroma key option. Check the box. And you want to have this eyedropper to active. So that way you can select the color from the screen, move forward a little bit with the arrow keys, for example, to the right. And then select the greenish color with the color picker. And that should mostly do it. Sometimes though you can see a little bit of a halo. You can see that here as well. The greenish color, it blends a little bit through on the edges. So you want to increase the intensity. Don't go too far though. It makes everything transparent, but around 75% works for me here. And this is how you can deal with these paper tiers. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.